pinapakinggan mo?
Music ni Alonzo Saclag.
Ha? Sino yun?
Ayan kasi di ka old-fashioned.
Wow, sorry ha. Sino nga?
Well, let me introduce to you Alonzo Saclag.
Alonzo Saclag was born on March 15, 1927, in Lubuagan, Kalinga, Philippines, and passed away on February 17, 2015. He was a Kalinga master of traditional music, dance, and rituals. From a young age, he learned indigenous practices from community elders. He dedicated his entire life to preserving, teaching, and performing Kalinga culture.
He founded the Kalinga Pudong dance troupe, which performed traditional dances. He helped document and revive traditional rituals, chant, and music. He also served as a cultural ambassador, representing Kalinga traditions across the Philippines and abroad. He trained young Kalinga artists to preserve their culture. He is known as a protector of Kalinga tradition, and his students continue performing and teaching traditional art, and the cultural group remain active. Remembered is a symbol of cultural identity and heritage. It caused an impact to strengthen cultural pride among indigenous communities. It encouraged cultural preservation in school and communities. It also increased national and international recognition of Calderiera art. This also helped protect intangible cultural heritage.
Oh, pre. Basta pre. Goods. Manonood ako ng movie ni Ishmael Bernal.
Anong movie yan, pre?
Yung, alam mo yung movie na may title na Relation?
Uy, ano pinapanood nyo?
Ay, nanonood kami ng movie ni Ishmael Bernal.
Anong title niyan?
Relation. Yung movie na Relation.
Ay, ganun. Anood na kami?
Sige.
Lalaking may asawa.
Mahirap ang pinasukan mo yan. Isipin mo mabuti ang ginagawa mo.
Magli-live-in tayo? Paano si Dorothy?
Separated na naman kami ni Dorothy.
Pero hindi legal.
Sasama ka sa isang lalaking may asawa. Ano na lang ang sasabihin ng mga kamag-anakan natin? Ano makikita mo sa isang lalaking may asawa? Pakakasalan ka ba nun?
Buntis ka.
Anong gagawin natin? Hindi tayo pwede magpakasal.
Alam ko mahirap para sa'yo.
Tapos na pala yun.
Ay, ano ba yan? Nabitin ako.
Oo nga eh. Pero wait lang. Sino nga ba si Ishmael Bernal?
Sino nga ba?
Well, yung introduce you to Ishmael Bernal.
Ishmael Eugene Bernal, September 13, 1938 to June 2, 1996, was a Filipino filmmaker, stage and television director, actor, and screenwriter. A graduate of the University of the Philippines with further studies in France and India. He became one of the most influential directors in Philippine cinema. Known for his socially relevant and artistic bold films, he was posthumously declared National Artist for Film in 2001. Bernal influenced generations of Filipino filmmakers by proving that cinema could be both artistically refined and socially relevant. His narrative style, complex characters, and urban storytelling expanded the creative boundaries of Philippine film. His achievements earned him numerous awards and recognition locally and internationally. Bernal directed over 50 films that are now considered classics of Philippine cinema. His most notable works include Nunal sa Tubig, 1976, Ikaw ay Akin, 1978, Manila by Night, 1980, Himala, 1982, Relasyon, 1982, Broken Marriage, 1983, Working Girls, 1984, Pahiram ng Isang Umaga, 1989. These films explored themes of faith, gender roles, morality, relationships, and social realities.